If you think skipping engine cleaning isn't a big deal, think again. What if I told you that the buildup hiding inside your engine could be silently destroying it, and you wouldn't even know until it's too late? In this video, I'm going to reveal 13 essential cleaning tricks that could literally save your engine from complete failure. And most of them are so simple you'll be shocked mechanics don't tell you about them. Stick around till the end because number 13 is the most overlooked, yet the most powerful one. And it costs nothing. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive into the engine-saving secrets every car owner needs to know. 1. Clean the throttle body. Your throttle body is like your car's lungs. If it's dirty, your engine literally can't breathe properly. Over time, carbon deposits build up on the throttle plate, restricting airflow and causing sluggish acceleration, rough idling, and poor fuel economy. Cleaning it is easier than most people think. All you need is throttle body cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Simply remove the intake hose, spray the cleaner directly onto the plate, and gently wipe away the grime. You'll notice a smoother idle and better throttle response almost immediately. Why this matters? A dirty throttle body forces your engine control unit, ECU, to compensate for the reduced airflow, often leading to incorrect air-fuel ratios. This causes long-term engine wear and can trigger the dreaded check engine light. Make this a habit every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, and your engine will thank you with years of smooth performance. A part so dirty, it's practically choking your engine without you realizing it. Number 2, degrease the engine bay. Yes, your engine bay needs a bath too. Over time, oil leaks, dust, and road grime accumulate in the engine compartment. Not only is it unsightly, but this gunk can trap heat and increase the risk of fire or premature wear. Start by covering electrical components like the alternator and battery with plastic bags. Then apply a degreaser, preferably water-based, to the entire engine bay. Let it soak for 5-10 minutes and then rinse it off with low-pressure water. Dry with a microfiber towel and finish with a silicone-based protectant for that showroom shine. Here's the kicker. A clean engine bay makes it far easier to spot leaks or component wear before it becomes a major issue. Mechanics even take you more seriously when your car is clean, potentially saving you from being overcharged. Next up is the secret to keeping your engine air clean and your fuel efficiency high. Number 3, replace or clean the air filter. Your engine breathes through the air filter, and when it's clogged, performance suffers drastically. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, which leads to incomplete combustion, reduced power, and lower fuel efficiency. Inspect your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently if you drive in dusty areas. If it's just slightly dirty, you can vacuum or blow it out using compressed air. If it's heavily soiled, replace it. It's cheap insurance for your engine. Cleaning this filter can restore horsepower, improve MPG, and reduce strain on the engine. Over time, restricted airflow forces your car to inject more fuel to compensate, flooding the cylinders and wearing down piston rings. This next cleaning trick can actually stop your engine from overheating. Number 4, clean the radiator fins. If your engine is overheating more than usual, it might not be your coolant. It might be your radiator. The radiator's job is to dissipate heat, and when the fins are clogged with dirt, bugs, and debris, airflow is restricted, leading to elevated engine temps. Use a soft brush or a garden hose, not a pressure washer, to gently remove buildup from the radiator fins. For deep cleaning, use radiator fin cleaner, available at auto stores. Don't forget to clean between the condenser and radiator, as it often traps the most debris. Keeping the radiator clean ensures proper cooling efficiency, helps the thermostat function accurately, and prevents long-term engine wear due to overheating. Next, we'll talk about one of the most common and filthiest engine components you're probably ignoring. Number 5, clean or replace the PCV valve. The PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve, is like your engine's internal lungs. It recirculates harmful gases from the crankcase back into the combustion chamber. But over time, it can clog with oil and sludge. When that happens, pressure builds up inside the engine, leading to oil leaks, increased emissions, and even head gasket failure. To clean it, remove the valve and soak it in carburetor cleaner, or replace it if it rattles weakly or not at all. A clean PCV system ensures proper ventilation, prevents sludge formation, and extends your oil's life. One cleaning trick that can drastically extend the life of your fuel system. Number 6. Use fuel injector cleaner regularly. Fuel injectors spray a fine mist of gasoline into the combustion chamber, and over time, they can become clogged with carbon deposits, especially if you use low-quality fuel. Dirty injectors mean uneven fuel spray, poor fuel atomization, misfiring, and increased fuel consumption. Using a fuel injector cleaning additive every 3,000 to 5,000 miles can prevent buildup. Simply pour it into your gas tank before a fill-up, and the cleaner will dissolve varnish and carbon inside the fuel system. For more aggressive cleaning, you can use a pressurized injector cleaning kit. But for most drivers, the additive method is safe, cheap, and effective. Why it matters: clogged injectors lead to rough idle, poor throttle response, and in worst cases, engine knocking or stalling. A smooth-running engine always starts with a clean fuel delivery system. The one filter most people never clean, yet it can seriously choke your engine's breathing. Number 7. Clean the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures how much air is entering the engine so the ECU can adjust the fuel injection accordingly. But dirt, oil, or dust buildup on the sensor wires can give false readings, causing too much or too little fuel to be injected. Symptoms of a dirty MAF sensor include stalling, hesitation during acceleration, and poor MPG. To clean it, remove the sensor, usually located near the air filter box, and spray it with MAF sensor cleaner only. Never use throttle body or carb cleaner here, as it can damage the sensor. Let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Doing this every 15,000 to 20,000 miles can dramatically improve fuel efficiency, power delivery, and throttle smoothness. The often forgotten system that can silently destroy your engine if neglected. Number 8. Flush the coolant system. Your engine's cooling system is its life support. Over time, coolant becomes acidic and loses its ability to protect against corrosion and overheating. Dirty coolant causes buildup inside the radiator, water pump, and engine block, which restricts flow and leads to overheating, a silent engine killer. Flushing your radiator every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, or per your owner's manual, removes scale, rust, and gunk. Use a radiator flush product and distilled water, not tap water, which contains minerals. After the flush, refill with the correct type and mixture of coolant, usually 50-50 with distilled water. A clean cooling system ensures stable operating temperatures, prevents head gasket failure, and extends the lifespan of gaskets, seals, and hoses. This trick not only cleans your engine, but can also boost horsepower. Number 9. Seafoam. Your engine's Seafoam is a legendary additive that works wonders when used correctly. It breaks down carbon deposits in the combustion chamber, intake valves, and piston rings. When used through the intake, Seafoam vaporizes inside the combustion chamber and dissolves gunk that's robbing your engine of power. You'll notice smoother idle, reduced engine noise, and even slight improvements in acceleration and MPG. How to do it? Slowly pour Seafoam into a vacuum line that feeds all cylinders, like the brake booster hose, or use a throttle body intake spray. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then rev the engine, and watch the white smoke pour out. That's the carbon leaving your engine. Do this every 20,000 miles for older engines or heavily driven vehicles. But use caution on high mileage engines that haven't been maintained, as loosening too much carbon at once can be risky. You won't believe what simple cleaning can do to your spark plugs. Number 10. Clean or replace spark plugs. Dirty or fouled spark plugs lead to weak ignition, misfires, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. While replacement is ideal, cleaning them is a great budget option. To clean, remove the plugs and use a wire brush or spark plug cleaner spray to remove carbon deposits. Inspect the gap with a feeler gauge and adjust if necessary. Cleaning or replacing plugs every 30,000 to 50,000 miles ensures complete combustion, better cold starts, and overall smoother operation. It also relieves stress on your ignition coils and engine. Pro tip: always use anti-seize on the threads when reinstalling plugs to prevent them from sticking later. This trick improves engine timing and smoothens performance instantly. Number 11. Clean the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor helps your ECU determine the engine's position and timing. When it's dirty or covered in metal shavings or oil, your engine timing can become erratic. This leads to misfires, stalling, poor starting, and inconsistent RPM. To clean it, locate the sensor, usually near the crank pulley, remove it, and clean with electrical contact cleaner. Gently wipe away any debris or gunk and reinstall. Keeping this sensor clean helps the ECU deliver precise timing, improves fuel efficiency, and reduces strain on ignition components. Most car owners never clean this, and it could cause costly oil leaks. Number 12, clean the engine's oil passages during oil change. Every time you change your oil, sludge and deposits may still remain in small oil passages inside the engine. Over time, this buildup restricts flow, leading to poor lubrication and eventual bearing wear. Before your next oil change, pour in a quality engine flush product and let the engine idle for 10 to 15 minutes. This dissolves sludge and carbon before draining. Follow up with high-quality synthetic oil and a premium oil filter. This trick extends the life of your engine, reduces friction, and ensures all moving parts receive the lubrication they need. Bonus, it can also restore lost oil pressure in aging engines. And finally, the free trick that might just save your engine entirely. Number 13, regularly wash the underside of your car. Most people never think to clean the underside of their car, but it's where salt, dirt, oil, and road grime collect. Over time, this grime can creep into sensitive engine components, hoses, belts, and mounts, leading to corrosion, wear, and premature failure. Once a month or after heavy rain snow driving, take a garden hose or go to a self-wash station and spray underneath your car, especially around the oil pan, transmission housing, and radiator mounts. Keeping your undercarriage clean not only protects your engine, but also keeps suspension parts, brake lines, and wiring in good shape. And best of all, it's completely free, just a hose and 10 minutes of your time. And there you have it, 13 powerful cleaning tricks that can literally save your engine from total failure. Some take just minutes, and others are completely free, but together, they'll keep your engine running smoother, longer, and more efficiently. Which of these cleaning tricks have you tried, or which one shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a tip that could save you thousands in repairs. Until next time, drive smart, maintain smart, and keep that engine purring like new.